is called a satra in local language. The workstation where women sift thousands of tons of chili, separating the green stalk from the ripe body. Locals call it dandi cut. For each kilo, you get 10 rupees. This is an essential part before the chili is exported to Mexico, China, Sri Lanka, among other countries. Young girls, mothers with newborn children, old couples come here to carve out a livelihood. Sangeeta, now a mother of a 2-year-old, has been working here since she was a child. In the best of times, she makes a meager 1500 rupees per week. Post demonetization, her wages have plunged to 300 rupees. Reason? There simply isn't enough cash to go around.
नुकसान ही नुकसान है, हर तरफ नुकसान है।
कैसे?
कैसे पैसा नहीं मिलता, कुछ नहीं, हम कैसे गुजारा करेंगे? सरकार से तो मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि नोटबंदी का ये जो किया है उन्होंने जल्दी से बंद करवा दे और हमारे काम की मेहनत के पैसे हमें मिल जाने चाहिए।
Notbandi has shredded the fragile safety net of daily wage laborers. Scarcity of cash, coupled with loss of work while waiting at banks for days together, having to make do with less and lesser every passing day, is making people angry.
नोटबंदी के बारे में तो हमको तो उसके भीट के डोबर हाथ में लगा दे, रोड पे बैठा दिया है। भीट के डोबर हमारे हाथ में आ गए हैं मोदी के वजह से।
For 5 weeks now, she's been living on a fraction of her earnings. She does not see any benefits of Notbandi.
ये सब एक गरीबों को तंग करना है, काला धन नहीं पकड़ा उनने, सब एक गरीब लोगों को मारने का धन नहीं है सब।
Bhivapur, around 100 kilometers from Nagpur, is famous for chili cultivation and processing. At this time of the year, locals say there should be at least 50 such satras where approximately 50,000 people would have found work. Post demonetization, work is yet to pick up. In fact, this is the sole satra that we came across.
This is hard, painstaking work which makes you cough every minute, but is the only source of income for hundreds and thousands of women. Since the payment is through the piece rate system, the more you work, the more you hope to make. In this place, if people put in days and nights together, then they hope to make about 1,000 rupees per week. However, since demonetization, the wage in hand that people get has been slashed by almost 75%.
It is the weekly wage day and the market day. Workers wait anxiously for their money. Each one of them would be receiving either a third or quarter of their earnings. It has been this way since the 8th of November, when demonetization struck a blow to cash availability.
हम बैंक पे जाएंगे, दिन भर से खाली 2000 मिलते बैंक पे, दिन भर खड़े रहने के बाद 2000।
Jalindra Mishra is trying to ensure that each worker gets some cash. Instead of the usual 4 lakh rupees, today he just has 1.5 lakhs. The situation today, he says, is unprecedented.
मोदी सरकार की वजह से इनका भी काम रुक रहा है, हमारा काम भी रुक रहा है। हमको इतना पैसा बैंक से अवेलेबल नहीं हो रहा, खाली हफ्ते के 50,000 मिलते हैं, इनका पेमेंट 2 लाख के आसपास बैठता है। तो इनको पैसे कहाँ से दिए? अबे अनपढ़ गवार लोग हैं, इनको चेक दे, चेक का क्या करेंगे?
मेरे भाई का ऑपरेशन हुआ है, एक्सीडेंट हुआ, तो अभी ये 2-3 हफ्ते का रखे थे हमने, वो मिल ही नहीं रहा।
Purisha Begum's brother is in the hospital and she needs the 2,700 she has earned for his treatment. In spite of the emergency her family faces, she will have to make do with less.
भाई को अभी 2-3 हजार रुपया 5,000 लग रहा है, उसको टाका तोड़ना है, तो इसलिए हम अभी खड़े हैं उनका सर दबाते हुए।
Gulnaz Pathan has been waiting patiently for her turn to come. Her sister's marriage is just a few days away and she desperately needs the 3,000 rupees she has earned.
पैसों की परेशानी, कोई शादी है, उनके भाई की शादी है, बहन की, करके पैसे चाहिए।
इन्हें भी 2-4 हफ्ते से जमा करके,
1 महीने से अभी पैसे नहीं मिले, सिर्फ एक ही चिट्ठी के मिले, तो एक चिट्ठी में नहीं होगा ना, करके लेंगे।
However, despite all her requests, Gulnaz has to return empty-handed. She hopes to get a check the next day when she returns for work. Mishra, the man who manages the payments here, has run out of cash and throws the one check he has on the table as another person, Ashok Raut, arrives for his payment.
चेक घेऊन जा 15 चिट्ट्या करून जमा कर.
Raut needs the 1,000 rupees for his heart medicine. He needs the cash for medicines and for weekly provisions. Today, he will not get any. तो अब क्या करेंगे आप?
अब क्या करें, कुछ गहना रखना पड़ेगा.
In fact, the drought of cash is pushing already impoverished people into informal credit channels. Anusia Chaudhary, who has taken a loan of 700 rupees from the local grocer and another 500 rupees from a villager, will not be able to repay the debt today, even after wage day.
राशन लगता है, और लत्ता कपड़ा लगता है, शिक्षण लगता है, भाजीपाला लगता है, घर में क्या नहीं लगता. और मोदी को परिवार नहीं है, मैं उनका समझता नहीं का मोदी ने क्यों बंद करा नोटा हमारे.
RBI norms has set a withdrawal limit of 50,000 rupees on current account, which is insufficient to run this business. Add to it the fact that cash withdrawals of 50,000 rupees is rare in this rural Bhivapur.
अभी अपना डोडे का काम चलता है, वो भी बंद पड़ा है अभी, सिर्फ नोटबंदी के चक्कर में.
Nasir Malik has been struggling. He has taken loans, withheld wage payments just to keep this going.
नोटबंदी के बारे में कहना क्या है, आदमी एक एक घर में 50-50 करोड़ रुपए मिल रहे. अभी परसों मैंने न्यूज पे देखा था, वसई में एक शिवसेना के घर में 41 करोड़ रुपए मिले एक नेता के घर में, और गरीब आदमी 2-2 घंटे लाइन में लगता है तो पैसे नहीं मिलते, 2,000 रुपए दे रहे. ये कैसी नोटबंदी है?
It is not just the workers who are suffering. The price of the red wet chili, locally called Doda, has dropped by half when compared to last year and is only expected to go down further.
There are less number of buyers in the market, but farmers have to sell, which means that they do not have bargaining power. Today, for instance, 1 kilo of red wet chili fetched just 15 rupees, which is barely sufficient.
Chandrasekhar has cultivated chilies in part of his 6 acres of land. He has been able to withdraw just 4,000 rupees since demonetization. Again, it is simply not enough to pay either for engaging laborers or machines.
नुकसान हुआ है, पैसे नहीं मिल रहे अभी टाइम पे, तो घाटा ही हुआ. कृषि केंद्र वाले के उधार है, वो अभी औषध नहीं देगा, खाद लाना है, ये लाना है, वो लाना है. किसान के कभी अच्छे दिन आने वाले नहीं है.
In another chili field, farmer Dhyaneshwar Barade and his son Aniket are staring at huge losses due to the price crash. But they have a difference of opinion about whether demonetization is the only reason.
सरकार ने निर्णय लिया तो अच्छे लिया, थोड़ा फार तो वो आदमी को थोड़ा कसरत करना ही पड़ेगा.
पिछले साल हमारे मंडी में मिर्ची का जो रेट था वो 1 क्विंटल 3,000 से 2,700 से 3,000 रुपए तक था, और उसके हिसाब से अगर आज देखे अपन ने, आज की मंडी देखी तो आधा भी नहीं है. इसलिए मेरा कहना है कि नोटबंदी का जो फटका है वो जबरदस्त मार्केट में बैठा है.
Notbandi, in addition to supplies from Andhra Pradesh, has impacted the price of chilies.
नकदी पेमेंट न होने के कारण व्यापारियों के पास में पैसा नहीं है, तो रेट का ये जो कम रेट हो गए उसी का कारण है.
The sheer shock of Notbandi has sent tremors across rural Bhivapur and beyond. It has a cascading effect from access to wages, contraction in business and crashing prices.